As we go to the questions, we're going to begin with question number 1. As always, select your highlighting tool and highlight the task first. So question 1 asks, which one of the following most accurately expresses the main conclusion of the argument? And as soon as you see main conclusion, you can just highlight that as the task. So moving into the paragraph on the left, we're going to want to consider whether these statements are facts or opinions in order to determine which of them is the main conclusion. So, the opening statement, many people who simply enjoy listening to popular music do not realize that it has been used to express religious and political messages. Well, this seems like it could be either an opinion or a fact, depending on the structure of the argument. So, I would just say that this could be the main conclusion. Continuing on, after all, popular music has repeatedly been adopted by social movements to express their viewpoints. Now, I wouldn't do this on the actual exam, but this phrasing, after all, indicates support. It's the reason that the first statement is going to be supported. Similarly, once we see the word since after the comma, we know that this too is going to be support. So once again, just continuing from that point after viewpoints, since it has the potential to contribute to the conversion of non-members to the movement's position, as well as, again, another transition indicating more reasoning to raise the morale and to express the solidarity of the movement's participants. And we're going to go back to the yellow and highlight what we now know to be the main conclusion because all of the other transitions indicate supporting reasoning for that opening statement, which we originally identified as maybe an opinion, maybe a fact, depending on the structure of the paragraph in full. And anytime you're being asked to identify a main conclusion, you can bet that there's not going to just be a therefore or a thus that says, here is that main conclusion. So now we're going to go to the answer choices, seeking one that matches that the highlight in yellow is our main conclusion. So starting with choice A, popular music accounts for the success of social movements. Well, that's an extreme statement, and it certainly doesn't match anything in the yellow on the left that says that people who enjoy listening to popular music don't realize that it's been used to express religious and political messages. Next, choice B, popular music's entertainment value has been overemphasized. Well, nothing specifically in the paragraph says this outright, so we can eliminate choice B. Plus, it doesn't match what we had highlighted in yellow at all. Then, choice C, popular music is the most effective way of converting people to social movements. Well, again, it's a little bit too extreme based on the evidence provided after the pink transitions. And once again, it doesn't match the original yellow highlight on the left. Then choice D, popular music has purposes other than mere entertainment. Well, that would match the yellow highlight best out of the answer choices so far. It's a rather brusque paraphrase, but that matches the idea that they don't realize that it's been used to express religious and political messages, and those religious and political messages would be purposes other than mere entertainment. And then choice E, popular music has a profound emotional impact on its listeners. Again, this does not match our yellow highlight, nor is it stated explicitly in the paragraph, and thus can be eliminated as well, leaving us, of course, with the correct answer, choice D, which doesn't directly match what's in yellow, but is the only option that provides a succinct paraphrase.